and Z coloring zone.
Hello kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn A to Z alphabet. Practice writing practice. So let's start. A. A. A is for apple. A. A is for apple. B. Straight line. Round and round. B. B is for ball. B is for ball. C. Round, 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 round. C for cat. C is for cat. D. Straight line. Round, 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 round. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E. E is for elephant. Wow. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Wow. F is for fish. Wow. Yellow color. G. G. G is for goat. G is for goat. H. H is for house. H is for house. I. I for ice cream. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jar. J is for jar. K. K is for kite. K is for kite. Straight line. Kite. L. L is for lemon. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for mango. Wow. You are so genius. M is for mango. Wow. Very nice. You are so genius. Red color. N. N is for nest. Wow. O. O is for orange. O. O is for orange. Wow. P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Wow. Beautiful. Q. Q is for queen. Wow. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rose. R is for rose. S. S is for spider. S is for spider. T. T is for tree. T. T is for tree. U. U is for umbrella. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. V is for van. W. W is for watch. X. X is for extra. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yellow. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for